Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the machine and your line, check fuel and oil, confirm the spark plug is tight, and position the guard. Once the engine is warm, set the cutting head height about 1/2 above the pavement and align the string on your layout line so you cut consistently. You want a clean, repeatable pass. That's why you mark a straight guide. Then, prime the cutter lightly, pull the starter until the engine fires, and throttle gently to operating speed before touching grass or soil. You now focus on motion and control. Walk at a steady pace so the string edger makes an even cut, and avoid pausing over the same spot because heat and tearing follow. Once done with the first shallow pass, make a second deeper pass if you need a defined trench. Make sure to tilt the head slightly away from concrete to create a crisp bevel rather than gouging. If the soil is compacted, use 2-3 overlapping passes. This reduces strain on the tool and gives a neater edge. You finish by cleaning and inspecting the edge. Brush loose clippings away, look for gaps, and backfill small voids with soil or sand to stabilize the line. Make sure to stop the engine, cool down, and then check the cutting line or blade for wear. Replace if frayed or nicked. If the edger stalls, check the air filter and fuel for contamination, verify the choke is set correctly, and inspect spark plug and carburetor linkage. These simple checks fix most common problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.